So you want to get into controls, right? And this is a great career because it's going to keep expanding as we move towards the future. So let's not gatekeep. So let's say you took an IT job, right? All right. For a company such as, I don't know, maybe KUKA Robotics or Siemens. All right. Now here's the kicker with these companies or these types of companies is that they allow you to have the opportunity to take free courses that will cost thousands to non-employees. Okay, so for example, KUKA Robotics has courses on KUKA programming, programming their robots. Whereas Siemens has courses about programming their PLCs. Now you can take these courses that's available because you are an employee, but at the same time, let's not forget about the IT tech support position. You are also learning and being able to troubleshoot the equipment and software. You feel me? You feel me? That's free knowledge right there that you're going to learn in that position. And of course, the more you learn, the more you grow, because you can take that knowledge and become a specialist in whatever you choose and transfer to a controls position, because now you actually have the skills and knowledge of controls. And that is an easy way to get into controls if you're looking to get into controls. Now, if you're already in controls, share in the comments how you got into controls. If you're not in controls, hit the follow button for part 2.